चत्र चक्रवर्ती चत्र चक्र भुगते स्वयं शुभं सर्वदा सर्व जुगते.
Breath chanting exercise. Breath chanting exercise. You've never done yoga, exercise. Blessing you have, do yoga. Yoga means to become one. Strong part of conquering the mind. Breathing, exercise or yoga, chanting, japa. It's not a silent. People think the answer to your spirit is in Mool Mantar, and the command is japa, to chant. You start chanting loud, practice. Over time, you can soften it. Over time, mental. Over time, it becomes a refined silence. But the practice is every day. These are the ways to conquer the mind, to soften or drop the resistance of the story in your head. You are the light of God. It is a path to recognize. Or you're depressed is a path to recognize. What you chant is what you become. You do not have to believe the chant in the beginning. You don't. It's got nothing to do with the belief system. It's got to do with the experience of the science. It's a science. Example, you chant Vaheguru from the navel. The saints, they say take a cold shower. When the water hits you, hydrotherapy, cold shower, at that moment your navel, Vaheguru, and you, it awakens a dead person, a person that is dull. Cold showers are good if you are healthy and you can take it. If you have a medical condition, okay, follow the medical condition. Cold shower hits the skin, then you chant from the navel, Vaheguru, Vaheguru, the navel, the chi, in martial arts too. These are powerful techniques to confront the mind and kill the story, like dissolve the story. You have the priceless jewels within you.